She was the world's longest-serving female leader, hailed internationally for lifting millions out of poverty. Foreign media even dubbed her the mother of humanity. But to many Bangladeshis, Sheikh Hasina was a mother of evil.
She turned into a monster.
I think she's a psychopath.
Sheikh Hasina is a zombie.
Her regime stands accused of stealing hundreds of billions of dollars from this impoverished country. Her security forces allegedly kidnapped and executed thousands.
Every night, I was mentally prepared that I'll not see another day.
In July 2024, students rose against her, finally storming the residence where she ruled Bangladesh like an absolute monarch. She fled in a helicopter and escaped to India. Today, the once sumptuous residence of Sheikh Hasina is in ruins, along with her reputation. We're going to look at how a leader once hailed as an icon of democracy became someone people here call a monster. And we'll ask, can Bangladesh rise again from the wreckage of her rule?